So in our previous video we have done with the validation of form using the jQuery. That was a mini project. So here in this video we are going to introducing with jQuery user interface. So for this we have to go to the website jQueryui.com. Here we have lot of plugin available for jQuery so that we can use them in our web pages. So in order to use those we have to first download jQuery UI to our system. So for this I will go to the stable download over here, just click on this and it's a zip file, so it's downloaded over here and it's in the download folder, so I will extract it here. Now this is extracted over here, so I supposed to move this file, so I'm copy this file and I will move to this my file to my local folder on desktop and there in jQuery, so I will paste it over here. So what you can do over here after pasting this over here in your local folder where your HTML files resides, you have to rename this, and I have already done this before, so I have named it with jQuery UI. So if we click on this we find this number of files over there. So this basically is a web contents over there. If we click on this and open it with Google Chrome, you find it over here. A component available like accordion, autocomplete button, checkbox dialog, framework icon, slider like date picker, progress bar, select menu, then spinner, menu and tooltips. So all that we can use in a page. So how they have designed over there, so in order to see this, just right click over there and go to view sources. You can find it over here. So here they have included one file that is necessary for using this jQuery library and jQuery UI interface. So this file must have to be included in local file. This and some JavaScript file also need to be included over there. So here we go down, here we find this script and these two files to be included over here. So we just simply can write this file over here in our header section. So for this we have to create link, then here we have to give the reference of file, then my files are saved in jQuery -ui slash, the name of the file is jQuery -ui.css. okay, and then one more JavaScript file, JS file we need to include over there, that is script source equal to jQuery dot min dot js. Then one more file of JavaScript to be included over there, script, here then source, and it's in the folder jQuery -ui slash jQuery -ui dot js. Okay, so these three files to be included in my case to use this in my file local page. So here if we go to this J, we see some interactions over there, some available features over there. That is, to make it interaction, we go to draggable. Draggable means how we can drag this like this. So how we can do this with our file? In order to do that, we have to go to view source, and here we see there is written as draggable id. It is there, and this is script function is over there, and this is Steve. So we need to copy this style from here. Let's see, copy this, Control C from here, and put it in our head section. So here we go, pasting this. Then we have to copy this function from here. Now see, then here we paste it in the body. Then we need to have a here we have to close the script. Okay, so closing the script over there. Then we have to write div, and to this I have to give id equal to draggable that we have created over there. Draggable, and class to this as UI. We simply can copy this from here, Control C, and here in our case we just put it over here, copy it, save this, save the changes. Here we go, and refresh the file here, and it's saying drag me over here. Look at this, so it's working. Okay, so by use of these jQuery we have done this job over here. So here in this way we can use jQuery UI in our pages. That's all for now. See you in the next video with draggable and scalable.